Are you too excited? Come on, let's go. Go get some tickets.
Hi, Blue Train. Bye, Blue Train. What is it? We're at Wascoe Siding Miniature Railway.
Are you excited?
Yeah. Look, the V-set's coming.
Oh my god.
V-set.
That's pretty cool, isn't
The
it?
V-set's going over the bridge. The train's name is Ferry. That's a flyer.
Fiery. Fiery.
Bye, Fiery. Hi. Hi, Greg.
Having fun, buddy?
Yeah.
Got the train going past. The V-set. Go.
Oh no, here comes the tunnel.
Don't forget the screen. Having fun, buddy?
Yeah.
Let's have heaps of fun here. Buddy, what are we doing? Just waiting for us. Watching trains. Look up. Oh, trees in the sky. Hey, buddy.
Good.
You recommend this place? It's fun, isn't it?
Yeah.
How much fun did you have? So much.
So much. I just don't want to leave.
What do you reckon? Is it a good day?
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Is it the best day ever?
Yeah.
Miniature railway is awesome, isn't it?
Yeah.
Still no one here. Everyone's leaving. Trains are all backed away. Time to go home. What do you reckon? Have ice cream. Ice cream is yummy.